Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. Now it's time to learn about list. So let's open idle to learn the list. So what is a list? A list is a container object that holds a varying number of values. A list has an initial size, but elements can be added or removed according to your need. So what is list? Okay, let's see. We call each item in the list an element. Like 2468, we see that one is called element, and each element is accessed by an index number from positive and negative index number. So you can see over here from 0 to 7, that is the positive index number, and minus 8 to minus 1, that is the negative index number. The negative index number starts with the last. That means the minus 1 is always at the last, and we are not sure about minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to. So now let's create an empty list. So you can create an empty list by just the square bracket open and square bracket close. This is the creating of list. You can also create a list of any data types like integer, strings, or mixed of anything. Let's create the same list which is over here. Let's create the same list so that it will be easy. Yeah. Now the list is already created over here at the B. Now we can access the list by writing any index number like B4. Since the positive index number starts from 0, 1, 2, that's why B4 means now 10. Or we can create it with negative index number, like alright, let's create minus 3. It means that 12. Since the minus 1 it starts from the end, we can also modify the list according to our need. For that you need to write the append, like the variable name dot append, and you can just write the value over here. Let's write 18. Now when you see type B, you see there 18 at the last. And also you can find the length with the length keyword, length B. There is a total of 9 elements. You can count over there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total length. You can find the maximum value with max keyword and the minimum value with the min keyword. Now you can remove it as well. You can remove like this del keyword del. Let's write, we need to remove the last one. We don't know what's the position with the positive one, so let's try with negative. The always minus 1 is at the last, that's why we write the minus 1. Okay, oh sorry, I just write the minus 1. We need to write del b minus 1. What's the problem over here is that I did parentheses. Actually I need square bracket. Yep, we can type now B. Alright, you can now do the slicing as well. For that you need to write B and colon in the middle, and you need to write the starting value and the ending value over here. If you didn't write anything, then it prints from the beginning to the end. You can just write from, you want the numbers from 2 to 6. Now actually it is going to print the value from 2, that is from 6 to the index position 6. It doesn't print the index position 6 value, it prints the less one always, and it means 5. It is now it will be the value from 6 to 12. You can also print it with negative by just leaving the first one empty. First empty means it takes from the beginning up to all. Up to, you can write minus 3. It means it takes from the beginning to the -3. Less than -3 means obviously -4. So you can do it with like this, -7 is to everything I need after 7. Everything means the last value as well. Yeah, this is the slicing. Now let's create a one program. Let's type Ctrl N to create a new program. Let's create an empty list. Let's put a space, that will be easy to see. Now let's generate a number. For that we know we'll use range function with for loop. We'll write 20. We need 20. Since range function generates the value from 0, it will generate up to 0 to 19. Now we need these elements from 2 to 16, and we will append it onto the variable a. So now let's check the even numbers. Since there are only even numbers, that's why we need only even numbers. So we write if I %2 equals to 0. Now if only even numbers will come inside, and after that how we see that we don't have 0 and 18, that's why we will write another loop. If the value of I will be 0, let's create a space here, or value of I equals to 18. If any two of these values comes, then it will run this code. Now let's write continue, since we don't want anything. Now this loop will just skip. If the value of I is 0 or 18, this loop is gonna skip. Now we'll write else. If it's not the value of 0 and 18, then we need to append the value in a. Now let's print the value of a so that we can see what's inside a, and at last we note that, as always, press key to exit. Now let's save it to our desktop. Python, let's write it list .py. Now let's run this so that you can see the value from 2 to 16. You can also always run it from the exe file, I mean the Python file. Let's run the list py.exe from 2 to 16. Yeah, it's created. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.